Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lanesha. And today's video is going to be my mom picking up her new car, and she is actually right here. You want to say something to the people?
Hey people, what are we recording?
Oh, we're recording going to pick up your new car.
Oh, we're going to pick up my new car. It's a Lincoln Knowledge 2026. I am trading in my Lincoln Aviator 2022. You may be thinking, why are you going down? Well, I'm getting a little older, so I don't need this big car. Just want to go down just a little bit in size, but stay in quality. And hey, go up in years. All right.
Yeah, so we are getting ready to go to the dealership now, and this is what the car looks like on the inside. It's a pretty big car. It's a 3-seater. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Big space. But now we are going to get ready to travel the road so we can go pick up the new car.
See you later. Bye-bye. I love my baby. Let's go meet the new baby.
She got me being a little content creator. Yeah, she got me doing content for getting her new car. Look at this steering wheel, y'all. It's looking nice. Look at this. Look at this screen. It's a screen here, y'all. This is a screen. A big screen. Hold on. Let me close the door real quick. Y'all, look. It's lighting up. Well, I think it went away. But it lit up a little bit. But y'all will see that once we actually turn the car on and light it up. But right now, it is on the showroom floor at Lincoln dealership. Lincoln of Memphis, to be exact. This is what the inside of it looks like. It's like a light gray interior. The exterior is black. So this is what it looks like. This is my mom's retirement car, as she did turn 60 last Saturday on November 15th. She turned 60. So this is her retirement car. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. How I get out the car? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at it lighting up again. Yeah, look at all that. Oh, you need to turn your defrost on or something.
Uh-oh. I'll make this hot for the house with the defrost. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see what we gonna do here.
All right, well.
Thank you so much.
We'll reach out to you about your details.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely want to get that done. Thank you. All right, have a good one.
Anything you want to say to the cameras?
Hey y'all, this is my new car, and I am getting ready to drive off. It is 6:43. We're leaving the dealership. I am tired. But hey, it's all worth it. It takes a lot of work to sign all the papers and stuff. So yeah, let's get in, Lanesha. Let's go.
All right.
Hello.
What kind of car do we have here?
A 2026 Lincoln Nautilus Reserve 3.
All right. So this is what the car looks like. Y'all just got an outside tour of what the car looks like. This is the inside. Got the dashboard over there. And it's all screen. Let me show y'all the back real quick. Look at these handles, y'all. These are different. Oh, excuse the umbrella. We got an umbrella in the car, but that's all right. This is what the inside looks like. This is the back. Got gray leather seats. Let me open up the trunk for y'all. Open up the trunk. Excuse the stuff that we have in here, but this is what the trunk looks like. Very spacious. A lot of room to make Ross trips, Walmart trips, Sam Club's trip, you name it. So this is the trunk space. Let's close it. This is the other side of the back seat, giving y'all a full view of it. This is the trunk space from the inside. Let's get that name one more time. Yes, ma'am. Nautilus.
Y'all, in this 2026 Lincoln Nautilus, my car serves as a spa. Watch. Massaging seats. And it just lays you back. I'm being massaged from the top
to this emergency
to the
call.
bottom.
Chances are, if you're playing this session, you're in need of immediate stress relief. So let's take a few moments to come into our bodies and engage in some deep breathing.
Yeah.
Fine. Let your shoulders and head fall naturally. Close your eyes.
Closing my eyes. Well, they already closed. Y'all, this massage is off the chain.
Start by taking a few deep breaths to transition you from wherever you were a few moments ago to where you are right now.
Okay, that should be
Deep
enough.
breaths in.
You all get the idea. It's so wonderful. You can only do this when the car is in park, y'all. So if you want to do this on your lunch hour,
Your mind concentrated.
or when you just come home in the evening and you've had a hard day,
Let the breath.
you've been on the interstate, people are driving like crazy, they've gotten on your nerves, and you're just grateful to be at home in your garage, you can do this.
Now relax the breath and pay attention to the full length of the inhale from its very start
So you guys just saw my mom do the rejuvenation part, basically where the car turns into your own personal spa. It has a rejuvenation part of the car where you can basically relax in the driver's seat. It's just the driver's seat, it's not in the passenger seat, just the driver's seat. You guys just saw my mom do it, and now you guys are going to do it with me. So let's get into it. So we hit these 3 dots. Rejuvenate. It's so relaxing.
Welcome to this emergency call. Chances are, if you're playing this session, you're in need of immediate stress relief. So let's take a few moments to come into our bodies and engage.
It's literally massaging my back while I'm laying in it.
Find a comfortable position with a straight back. Let your shoulders and hands fall naturally. Close your eyes.
Ooh, it feels so good. Oh my
Deep
God.
breaths in and out.
Y'all, it's literally so relaxing. I can go to
Keep
sleep.
your mind concentrated on just the breath. Not the breath.
Anyway,
Practice letting go.
as y'all can see,
That isn't the breath.
I am laid
Letting
all
any
the way
thoughts
back.
or concerns fade into the background.
All the way
For
back.
just these.
Y'all, right now this sun is hitting. I know it's in relax mode, but honey, this sun is hitting, okay? Golden hour. This, oh my gosh, it's just so relaxing. And I hate that it's not in the passenger seat.
But if you notice any tension on your next exhale, see if you can let it soften. Dissolving any tension.
All right, y'all. I'ma actually I'ma stop it, but y'all get the point. I'ma stop
Your
it.
whole body relax,
Oh,
allowing it to feel heavy.
let me show y'all what it looks like currently. Oh wait, hold on. What is it? Ooh, Lord, y'all. Okay, well, the car just shut off by itself. I guess that means it's time to go inside the house. But y'all get the point. So that was the rejuvenation part. The car just cut off by itself. Well, let me cut it back on because we still got the key in the car. So y'all, let me just tell y'all this real quick. We still learning the car. So, and the seat is making some type of noise, y'all, because it cut off by itself while it was doing the rejuvenating part. So yeah, but anyway, so real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of the features that it does have. And I'm not a car person, I don't know much about cars at all, but this car right here is tea, honey, is tea. Me and my mom absolutely love this car. Like I said yesterday, this is her retirement car. She just turned 60 last week, and this is her last and final car. But now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the features, and if I don't sound all car tech savvy, don't come for me. All right, I just want to show y'all some of the features that this car has. All right, so this right here, you guys, is the dashboard. As you can see, it has this big, long, wide screen. This is one of my favorite features of this car. I just love this big screen. So over here we have the weather and the time. Weather, well, right here we have the date. Then we have the weather. We also have the time over there. Then over here we have like a map. And then here is the miles, how many miles she has until empty. And she can actually change it up if she wants to. She can add, I think, only 3 things on the screen at one time, but she can change it. But I just love this dashboard, y'all. Like this dashboard, the screen, that's one of my favorites. And then this is the front part of the car. So of course right here we do have a touch screen display right here. And then right here, of course, this is technically the gear shift, if you will. It's just buttons. So we have park, reverse, neutral, drive. I don't know what L stands for, but this is like the upgraded gear shift, if you will. So they're just buttons. And then right here, this is the volume button. So let me turn it off because I won't get copyrighted. But this is the volume button, so you can press it, turn it on, press to turn it off, and then you just turn the knob to turn the volume up or down. And then right here is this is auto stop and start. This is hazard lights. I think this is parking assistance. That over there is defrost. This is the front camera. So that button there is for the front camera. Cut that off. And then we don't know what that button is right here. Like I said, we're still learning this car, but definitely gonna do research and figure out what that button is. And then this right here is like just a little compartment. So we have the coasters or the cup holders here. Then this right here is a wireless charger, and it really only works with my mom's phone. She has the 15 plus. Doesn't work with mine because mine's not magnetic. There you go. Now you can see it's charging. Well, oh, it just stopped. See? Oh, now it's on again. Now it's off again. On and off. See? Yep. This thing never really works in cars, to be totally honest, but we do have wireless charging. I don't know, maybe it's something that we have to change about that, but we do have a wireless charger right here. And then we have the actual port. So this is type C port and USB port, and then it also closes like this just by sliding. And then right here we do have the center console. We do have a few little things in there so far, but it is pretty spacious. So that's the center console. Oh, and we also have 2 other type C ports right there. Those are 2 other type C ports. We do have some space up here. Oh, my mom already has her sunglasses up there. So she does put her sunglasses in this little compartment here. Up here we do have the controls for the lights and also the control for the sunroof. So it's actually already open right now. As you can see, it's already open, but I'm actually open the sunroof. I think it's this button. Or is it this? Oh, I pressed the wrong one. Hold on. There we go. So that's the sunroof. That's the sunroof. So actually I'm gonna close it. Ooh, maybe not. The air feels kind of good. But anyway, so these are the controls for the sunroof and the lighting. This is the steering wheel, y'all. This steering wheel, oh my goodness. I personally think it feels like a Tesla steering wheel. I've seen what the Tesla steering wheels look like, and this right now is giving Tesla. But my mom is getting used to it. I will say she is getting used to the steering wheel. I potentially may have to drive this car at some point, so I definitely need to get a feel for this steering wheel as well. It's definitely not like her old one or mine, so it's definitely different, but it will take, you know, some getting used to, some adjustments adjusting to. And then these are the controls on the steering wheel. So of course you have the horn right here, the airbag, Lincoln logo. This right here controls, y'all can see, this right here controls the volume. So whenever the radio is on, you can turn it down, you can turn it up, you can mute it, and you can also go through the songs. But it's nothing playing right now, so that's why it looks like that. And then I think everything over here is like cruise control. So I think it's like parking assist, not parking assist, lane assist. And my mom's car can also tell like how far or how close she is to the car in front of her. So if I can pull it up, I think that's what, hold on, that's what one of these buttons here is for. I think it's this one right here. So that can actually tell her how close she is to the car in front of her. Let's see, what else? Right here, y'all, is the lights and the truck button. That's all that stuff right there. I'm not gonna touch anything. Then over here, the window buttons, of course, I'm not going to let the windows down either, because they are tinted windows and we can't open the windows, I think, for like 72 hours, so I'm not going to touch that. But of course, that's what that is. Then right here you have the lock button, and then right here, this 1, 2, 3, these are like the different driving positions. So my mom has hers personally set as number 1, and so if I ever wanted to drive her car, or if I had a need to drive her car, then I would have to adjust it to my liking, because I am taller. So it's actually in her position right now. I wouldn't be able to drive like this because the wheel is literally in my lap. I'm tall, so she's a little shorter than me, so that's why hers is so close. So I would have to have mine as 2. Mine would be set differently, but that's what the 1, 2, 3 is over here on the sides. Then we have the speakers, of course. And then one main thing on the display screen that I want to show you guys that's my favorite. So when we go to the apps, we can actually watch YouTube in the car. So these are some personal apps that we kind of set up. We have YouTube, YouTube Music, Spotify, but we can actually watch YouTube in the car. Oh, and it pulled up Michael Jackson, because I tested it last night with Remember the Time by Michael Jackson. But we can actually watch YouTube. So I'm actually going to look up my channel. It's probably already in here from yesterday. Yep, so here's my channel. So we can literally watch YouTube in the car. So that's my channel right there. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Living Life with Lanesha. We are at 2,170 something subscribers with 467 videos on my channel and counting. Okay, but yeah, so we can literally watch YouTube on or in the car. Now we can only watch YouTube in the car when the car is still, so can't do it when we're driving, of course, because that would be dangerous. You know, that would be a driving hazard. But we can literally watch YouTube in the car. So let's see, what video do I want to pick? Oh, let's pick my regional conference vlog, just so y'all can hear it. We're literally watching YouTube in the car. This is crazy. Oh, and we can also make it bigger. And then you can see. Oh, we put it up over here. Okay. Oh, there it is. The description and everything. Just like you're watching on your phone, your tablet, computer. And it's now full screen. Look at that. That is so cool. And then also, y'all, hold on. Also, y'all, the sound in this car is everything. It's supposed to have 28 speakers, I believe, but we've yet to find the 28 speakers. But the bass, when it comes to sound, It's so good. Y'all hear that? It's probably too loud, actually. I'm literally watching my regional conference vlog in my mom's car. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. All right. That's enough of that. But y'all, this is literally my favorite feature. Like watching YouTube in the car, this display, dashboard, screen, and also the rejuvenate part of the car. Those are some of my favorite features. But let me actually get out of this. This is literally so cool, y'all. I cannot wait to actually really take full effect and actually watch YouTube in my mom's new car. That is everything. All right. Oh, my line sister. But it is so cool. So I think I pretty much went over the main features of the car. Let me actually close the sunroof. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, and then the actual shade. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, come on, thing. All right, there we go. So I am so excited for my mom, you guys. She has really worked hard in life. She really does deserve this, so I am super proud of her, and I just love this car. So again, this is the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. Super cool. The exterior is black, interior is gray, as you can see. So y'all, one thing that was so funny when we got my mom's 2022 Lincoln Aviator, we could not figure out how to get out of that car for the life of us. Like when we got home after driving it from the dealership, we could not figure out how to get out of the car because it did not have a handle. It had a button to get out the car, and this car is almost the same. Let me show you. So y'all, it literally has this right here to get out of the car. You just put your fingers on it, pull back, and that's how you get out of the car. That's crazy, right? Like, this car does not have a handle except for the outside. Of course, it does have the outside handle to open the car, but to get out of the car, you literally have to pull that latch, literally. Oh, we didn't do the Nautilus. Hold on. Oh, we cut off. Is it not gonna say? Yeah, here it is. Wait a minute. It's gonna say it. It ain't doing it. Where the Nautilus? Where? Hold on. I want y'all to see the Nautilus on the screen. Y'all, it played me. It's supposed to say Nautilus across the screen, but it's not. I'm gonna see something. I want y'all to see that it says Nautilus right there. Hold on. Okay. Let's try this again. There it is. Yeah, buddy. It says Nautilus. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. One thing I forgot to mention, it does have massage seats. So this is how you control the seats. You move it up, move it back. This part, and then this part you can move it forward or backwards. And then this right here, y'all, is a massage button. While you're sitting in the seat, you can get a massage. It's also like that on the passenger side, so both me and my mom can get massages while we're driving, while we're sitting, while we're in the car, period. And then I also forgot to show y'all in the back. In the back, it has heated seats. It has heated seats in the back. In the front, it has heating and cooling seats, but in the back, it has heated seats only. Then it also has USB-C or Type-C ports in the back. So we got 2 here on this seat, and then there's 2 on that seat. Then it's an actual plug right there. So, oh, and then is this middle part in the back seat. Then you got your cup holders right there. So yeah, 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.